not a whole lot going on. I just continue to encourage each of you to read about the potential of a gold silver backed cryptocurrency and what it would do. I also want you to read what's going on. Not only is China buying up vast amounts of gold, getting ready to offer this yuan or gold for oil with the House of Saud in Saudi Arabia. This is a game changer, and certainly there's a lot on the internet to read, and you should put in the search engine and read about it because it will drastically affect the precious metals market, especially gold and silver. So you need to be doing that. But the other thing that's just come out is the amount of gold that China and Russia have some kind of agreement not to come out until they both have the amount of physical gold and silver they want for reasons of backing a currency or partially backing the currency. Another game changer. And then certainly we remember here a few weeks ago when Mnuchin, the Treasury Secretary, visited Fort Knox and made no comment on the 8,163 tons that we supposedly have. Either way, it is there, it's not there. So we really still don't know, since there hasn't been an audit since President Eisenhower in 1952. Quite a while for us to own gold as a country, and us, the taxpayers, own it, and we can't get an audit on our own investments. There's a lot of this stuff that's stewing up, and it is going to force the hand as we go. This morning, October 4th, 2017, we wake up and our president, in his words, want to wipe out the debt of Puerto Rico. Isn't that interesting? $100 billion plus. Just wants to wipe it out. Look at the bond market. As you look at this, is what's happened to bonds that are triple free tax. In other words, if you had your own Puerto Rican bond, you weren't paying tax in the state, the country, or in Puerto Rico. You had 3 exempt things on these debt. Look at the value of them today just to get a little taste of people putting money into a mutual fund of bonds or buying the bonds individually, and they wake up overnight on one statement and 30 or 40% of their bond is wiped out. And it's going to be a massive sell-off as Trump tries to figure out how to pay off this or wipe this debt out. So these things, we have to realize that Trump just raised the debt ceiling, not 1 trillion, but 1.25 trillion, 1 trillion, 250 billion. No president in the history of the civilization has done that. And then to come out and present a budget saying he's going to cut costs, and he raises the budget to over $4 trillion. Let me put that slightly in perspective for you. In 1980, we got Jimmy Carter kicked out of the presidency. He had a $500 billion budget. So now Trump, only 37 years later, has a $4 trillion. So the size of government's gone up 8 times in 37 years. But what's worse, the debt's gone from a worldwide debt of 5 trillion to over 65 trillion, of which 20 plus trillion is the United States. We're 1/3 of the whole debt of the world. We're the largest debtor country in the world. And yet we just keep printing money, keep printing money, keep printing money with nothing to back it. And you, the investors, sit there thinking happy days are here again. And there's going to be a middle class tax cut. It's going to give you an average of $1,000 more. But they're going to increase the money supply much more than that. So we just need to be doing our homework and following these things because they are devastating what is coming. There's going to be many debts rolling over, not just down in Puerto Rico. And you're going to see defaults like you've never seen defaults in the bond markets as we go forward. So all I can tell you is you need to have your vision on this and get into the percentage you want in precious metals before all these things happen, when there are cryptocurrencies backed by gold and silver, and tons of physical gold have to be bought to back that. You want to be ahead of that wave. Why is Russia and China buying gold so quickly? They tell you they're going to have some kind of backed currency. Will it be the yuan or another currency? I'm not sure. But it is going to happen. And we're not talking about years down the road. We're talking about literally a few months. So hopefully this will give you time to read more about this stuff on the internet and get more familiar about it, because it's going to be with you the rest of your life. If you need to reach us, you can reach us 800-247-2812, and either Dan, Kathleen, or I can discuss it. If you are looking to roll over and have a self-directed precious metals IRA, we'll walk you through how to do that, where we can be your broker and your representative and help you get a custodian. So with this week's Precious Metals Market Update, this is Tom Cloud signing out.